hit.
You never know.
Oh my God, Khoa!
Come now! Yeah, we had a guy get surrendered. It was funny as hell.
Oh my God, Khoa! Yeah.
Both of you guys got.
I know. I was like,
No, my gun wasn't shooting.
so I was like, surrender. Oh wait, I start shooting.
Barrel cover? No.
Yeah, guys, don't worry about it after the first game because we usually do turnarounds. But yeah, just put them on as soon as you can.
Oh.
It just helps us out.
Alright. Oh, dude, I think I left it in the car.
I've got no bad.
That was embarrassing. I was like, did you film me? Yeah, it's like.
Someone behind the fight.
Hey, did you shoot? Guys out there just have a good.
Huh?
Did you shoot when you said surrender?
Yeah, no, because my gun wasn't shooting before, so I was like, I just fake him out. I'll be like, surrender, but then start shooting anyway. That's why I said I should surrender and shoot at the same time. Anyone in that group still there?
Ken, if they do that to you, I say just toss it.
I know. Suicide ball.
Boom. Suicide, man. Or just hold your grenade.
Dude, there's so many bees back there.
Like, hey, there's bees. Like,
I was like, wait, are you still alive? I was like, guys, do you know that?
Hey, who's just laying down? Watch your own shit. There's bees. Good day, man.
No, we need to go for the flag. I know, dude. We need. Alright, we need to stick together, everyone this time. Like our whole team.
Like half the team disappeared.
Yeah, I was like, they all rushed. Is Matt still there?
Oh, Jesus! Damn, mask on.
Excuse me, guys.
Okay.
Oh, dude.
Hey, it's gonna be lunch after this, huh?
I don't know what time it is.
3 minutes, guys! 3 minutes! 3 minutes left!
The whole team just rushed.
What'd you do, Terry?
Huh?
Where were you? I was right here.
And then like, freaking 5 minutes later, you guys came.
Wet my eyes.
Oh yeah, no, because we were waiting until everybody moved up.
Hey, did you see the other guys?
Well, they. They went that way probably.
Yeah, you got hit, Blair! You got hit!
Cheater, dude.
Call, rep, call.
Call us, split, bro.
Hey, why do you guys keep the little cover down? No, right there for the where the gearbox is.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, it pops up in real life. It pops up.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know. That's where the bullets come out. I don't know. Maybe get some air in there.